Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Gurumutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityananda Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Gurumutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityananda Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharini Nirvishesha Sundravani Gajato Vishwakarini Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharini Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Vashakradeshakarini Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasati Gaura Bhakta Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasati Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki, Sri Dham Mayapur ki, Srila Jayapataka Swami Maharaj ki, Om Premanande. You know, when I was young, and sometimes when my relatives, my cousins, and my friends were visiting, I would wait for that moment so eagerly. And then when they arrived, we would talk all night. And similarly, this was my emotion, because I have been here amongst all of you, and I have seen the love and reciprocation that you give to the Vaishnavas, devotees who visit here, Krishna Katha Desh. But you know, time is of great constraint. Every time I come across devotees with whom I want to spend a lot of time, I always feel that the importance of time is there. We do not have enough time. And therefore, again and again, my realization is that we must learn to value time. And that is why Krishna says that in this material world, my greatest influence is that time I am. I am time. So we have 1 hour to give all the messages we need to give. Here amongst us is Ambarish Prabhudas, Alfred Ford and his good wife Swaha Mataji have so kindly, they have come to Krishna Katha Desh, to Qatar, taking a risk, you know, for Vaishnavas to come here and congregate like this is not a very convenient thing. With great effort, we were able to convince them to take time out from their busy schedule to come to Dubai. And then I requested them to visit one day of Bahrain. And then Prabhuji was saying, what are you doing? You're just extending my stay. And then I said, please Prabhuji, one day in Qatar. And he looked at me and frowned like this. But then, when I told him that this is that yatra, that was the initial support when we started our campaign 1.5 years ago in Bahrain. First time we spoke about devotee participation in building this temple for Srila Prabhupada. This was the first yatra to participate and start sending money to Sridham Mayapur. But Prabhuji, when he heard this statistic, he told me, he said, Radha Jivan, I will go to Qatar first. So we come here, Prabhuji and his wife, they come here to Qatar Desh in all gratitude. In all gratitude for the seva that you are doing, that you have initiated, and the sacrifice all of you are making for building a temple which is so far away from you. So this, in the introduction, Prabhuji was saying that simply by taking darshan of a Vaishnava, one becomes purified. This is our feeling, and I speak for Prabhuji also. This is our feeling that yes, by taking darshan of the Vaishnavas, today we feel extremely purified. We feel very purified. You are all serving and doing bhajan of the Supreme Personality of Godhead in circumstances that are very dangerous. And this Krishna appreciates the most. You know, Vibhishan, the younger brother of Ravana, was the only person who was doing bhajan of Ram in Lanka. And one time, some of the demoniac ministers, they complained about Vibhishan to Ravan. In other words, Vibhishan's bhajan got caught. So Ravan invited him and he said, you nonsense, why are you chanting the name of Ram. Don't you know he is my enemy? And Vibhishan, of course, was very intelligent, just like all devotees are. And he said, no, 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 no. I am not chanting the names of Ram. I am chanting your name and your wife's name. Because you are Ravana, so Ra. And your wife is Mandodari, so Ma. Ravan and Mandodari, Rama. So this is how. And Lord Ram so much appreciated. He so much appreciated the bhajan. Mainly because Vibhishan was taking such a big risk of his own life to become a devotee of Ram, that when Vibhishan came to surrender to Lord Ram after being kicked out of the court of Ravana, that immediately Lord Ram got up and received him and crowned him. He crowned him as the king of Lanka. So the ministers, the monkeys, Sugriva and others, they protested. They said, he is the brother of the enemy. And without finding out anything, even before the war, you have made him king. So Ram said, he has come and surrendered to me, and that is enough. So of course, they were monkeys. So they challenged Ram, and they said, so what if Ravana comes and surrenders to you now? What kingdom you will give him? You've already given Ravana's kingdom to his brother. He said, I will give him the kingdom of Ayodhya. This is the way Krishna looks at a living entity who makes sacrifices for him. There is a shloka by Goswami Tulsidas. He says, Jo sampada Shiv Ravan hi Deen diye dasamat Soi sampada Vibhishan hi Deeni Sakuchi Raghunath. That Lord Shiva in this world is known as Ashutosh, is known as the most beneficent demigod who becomes very easily pleased. And that is why the world is running to please Lord Shiva to get so many boons. But Goswami Tulsidas ji is saying that in order to get Lanka, the kingdom of Lanka, Ravana had to sacrifice 10 of his heads in the fire as oblations to Lord Shiva, and then Lord Shiva gave him Lanka. But that same Lanka was given by Lord Ram to his younger brother Vibhishan with great hesitation. Sakuchidini Raghunath, with great hesitation, that maybe I am not giving him enough, simply because he has come and surrendered to me. What I am giving him is not enough of a reward. This is the nature, this is the true nature of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, whom we worship. We are all very, very fortunate to worship Sri Krishna because we have come in contact with a great personality, Vaishnava, such as Srila Prabhupada, and the Sampradaya of the Madhava Gaudiya Vaishnavas. This is something for us to know and understand and cherish. Tonight, we are here to appreciate the seva and sacrifice you are doing for TOVP Temple. Because time is short, we will also want to hear from Ambarish Das Prabhuji and also from Swaha Mataji. They are our respectful guests tonight. But there is something, the four of us who are here, we are here on a mission. Our mission is very great. It is to build and complete this humongous task, this temple that Ambarish Prabhuji single-handedly started by having donated 200 crores of rupees to get this project started. But this project is going to be completed with an expense of 600 crores of rupees. So 400 crores of rupees is still needed in order to complete this entire temple, and that is why you saw our leaders, our gurus and acharyas openly begging and encouraging all of us congregation members of ISKCON to think about it and to make a sankalpa, to make a sacrifice. Krishna is very kind. Krishna gives in reciprocation, just like the play was showing, that if you give something to Krishna, Krishna returns back many, many folds. He is a personality with tremendous gratitude. There was a saint 500 years ago. His name was Surdas Ji. He was blind but very elevated soul of the Vallabha Sampradaya. When he was dying at the age of 125, many of his godbrothers came to him and they said, "We have some questions to ask you." He was lying on his chest because he was very old and he was very weak. So they tried to turn him around and he said, "No, please do not do that." And they said, "Why? You must be very uncomfortable leaving your body lying on your chest." He said, "That is okay, because the Braj Raj that I am touching my chest to, I have kept this to my chest, to my heart all my life. I do not want to show my back to this Braj Raj before I leave my body." Such is the significance of the holy dhams. The holy dham is a representation in this material world for the jivas to become purified. And the manifestation of the most merciful holy dham is Sridham Mayapur. Krishna is explained in the Shastra to have three bhavas. He relishes three mellows. One is Aishwarya Bhav, that he relishes in Dwarika Leela. The second is Madhurya Bhav, which he relishes in Vrindavan Leela. And the most important and the most rare bhava that he relishes on this material world is the Audarya Bhav, as Sri Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So we, as followers of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it is our duty not only to relish and receive the mercy of Sriman Mahaprabhu, but to distribute it. Like Srila Prabhupada was saying in the short cinema, do not lock the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the closet. That is not needed. Let him rise like the moon. And this is why Srila Prabhupada, he rightly named the Mayapur temple as Mayapur Chandrodoya Mandir. Let Chandra Udoy, let Chandra rise. And Nityananda Prabhu, he also made a profound prediction to Jiva Goswami. He said, in Mayapur, Iha ek adbhut mandira, hoibe vikash, Gorangor Nitya Seva, hoibe prakash. Right here in Mayapur, an adbhut mandir, an astounding temple, hoibe vikash, will manifest. And what will happen? Gorangor Nitya Seva, hoibe prakash. All over the world, Gorango Mahaprabhu's name, his influence, his teachings will go and capture the hearts of the living entities. It is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who has come in this yuga in order to influence and give his mercy to to all the sinful living entities of Kali Yuga. So dear devotees, just now I was sitting on the sofa speaking to Ambarish Das Prabhu, and I was telling him that we are here to raise money, to ask for funds, but I am very afraid. I don't like to ask these people for money. And to this, Srila Ambarish Prabhu, he replied to me. He said, Radha Jivan, they are the recipients of Lord Nityananda's mercy. Do not be afraid. You go and do your job, because Lord Nityananda Mahaprabhu has chosen these people to build this temple. And therefore, this is the very right statement. This is the spiritual statement to say. That yes, you are the representatives and the chosen people of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. And therefore, you are being approached tonight by a personality like Ambarish Prabhu, who all his life has had his hands like this. But here he comes in front of you with his hands like this. That is his magnanimity. So that together we can all earn the pious credits of building a temple that would influence the entire world. The millions and millions of people that will be able to enter Audarya Dham, take prasad, offer obeisances, raise their hands and chant Gauranga Mahaprabhu's names. A part of that punya for eternity will go to those devotees, those living entities who have helped, who have sacrificed to build this temple. This temple is not going to be built by some mere pocket change. It will require more than that. Our society, even though it is spread worldwide, most of the members of ISKCON organization are ordinary people. We are middle class people. We struggle very hard to make ends meet. Many of our devotees have joined this movement only in the last 10 years. They are not even reaching 40 to 45 years of age. They have plans in their lives. They have children to be educated. They have houses to be purchased. And with all this responsibility, we have come here to put a great burden on your shoulders of also making a large sacrifice in order to build this temple. But if you see it as a burden, then it is from every material point of view a burden. But if you see it from a spiritual point of view, like the drama was speaking tonight, in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna was saying that I give you what you lack and I preserve what you have. And Krishna was saying, Konteya pratijanihi name bhaktya pranashati. Those are such wonderful statements. We must walk our lives by faith and not by eyes. I want to tell you a small incident in my life, not for my glorification, but in order to establish this Siddhanta. 2 years ago, I am 60 years of age. I am not a very rich man. I also struggle in my business and make ends meet. But 2 years ago, I was faced with a challenge where I had to make a decision to purchase a property to make a temple in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a place, if we make our temple there, it is known to be the most sinful city in this entire planet. And for ISKCON to make a temple in Las Vegas is like Srila Prabhupada putting a flag on Mount Everest. And then this challenge, when I was faced with this challenge of immediately having to purchase a wonderful property. I mortgaged my house, took $300,000 and paid for the property. At this age of 60, it is a very big risk, materially speaking, because I have children, I have wives. How will I pay back my mortgage? But I did it. And the result of that was, within 3 months of doing such a crazy act, I received the seva of serving the TOVP. I had no plans. This is my saubhagya, that in the maturity of my life, I am so connected with the TOVP, and today my body and my hands is being used in the seva of Srila Prabhupada's dearest project. This is the remuneration. Seva begets seva. Punya begets punya. Paap begets paap. This is the Siddhanta. So therefore, for us to make great sacrifices, we also will have to act a little crazy. Without pagalpan, there is no bhakti. Prahlad Maharaj was defying his father. He could have become the king. He could have thought, let me become king and afterwards when my father dies I will do bhajan. But he was a pagal. To defy such a strong personality as Hiranyakashipu. But it was that pagalpan that made Nrsingadev manifest. Dhruva Maharaj was similarly a pagal to go to the forest at the age of 5. But he did it. But Krishna appeared to him. So, there is an element of madness. Srila Prabhupada was also taking a very big risk in his life at the age of 70 to sail to America to try to convert American people into Vaishnavas. He knew that if he had failed and came back to India, his god brothers would spit on his face. They would call all kinds of names. That in his old age, he had some desire for name and fame. This is how the world reciprocates to people who fail. But he did not care. Krishna gave him such difficult time, heart attacks, failures after failures, but he was stubborn and he stayed there. And ultimately, what is the reciprocation of the Lord to Srila Prabhupada? Today, any hour of the day, Srila Prabhupada is being worshipped with a ghee lamp somewhere in the world. This is how Krishna reciprocates with those people who take great risks for him. I really want to speak so much, but again, time is not there. I hope again I will have another opportunity some other time to come and address all of you. I want to get to the point. This community here, so many of you are sitting here who have made very large donations already according to your capacity. Many of you are donors of the Golden Brick, which is 100,000 rupees, and it is a lot of money. When we started this campaign, we thought we will catch hold of 250,000 devotees and get them to give 7,000 rupees each, 1 square foot, and be able to build this temple. It didn't happen. It is not practically possible to reach out to 250,000, 300,000 people. So we upped the stakes and we said, let us do the Golden Brick idea. With 1 lakh of rupees, we will find 10,000 devotees, and then with that we will be able to build the temple. And it is too time consuming. We cannot reach out to 10,000, 15,000 people. So we consulted some fundraising companies and asked them practically, how do big projects get completed? And they said, this is how it happens. 20% of the people for any major project give 80% of the money. And 80% of the people of the congregation contributes 20% of the money. And this is how you can accomplish it. And therefore, we have come out with this idea. We have, for Panchatattva, we have 5 schemes also. This is a very wonderful scheme because 2016 is the 50th anniversary of ISKCON Society. For 50 years, we will be cherishing Srila Prabhupada's wonderful movement. As we can see, this family is growing and all of us are taking advantage of the wonderful works and efforts of Srila Prabhupada. So as gratitude to Srila Prabhupada, let us all together give Srila Prabhupada one gift. Before Srila Prabhupada departed the planet, he told his disciples, your love for me will show as to how well all of you cooperate with each other. And in 1972, Srila Prabhupada was glorifying his Guru Maharaj on his disappearance day. He paused and then he said, every Vaishnav Acharya has done something very special in order to serve Sridham Mayapur as his personal offering to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he said, went door to door and collected money and built the Yoga Peeth, the birthplace temple of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That was his personal offering to Sri Chaitanya. And my Guru Maharaj built 63 temples all over India in 15 years, but he built the biggest one in Sridham Mayapur at a time when nobody was coming to Mayapur, because that was my Guru Maharaj's personal Shraddhanjali at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then Srila Prabhupada, he folded his hands to his own 25-30 disciples who were sitting there, and he said, I thank you very much, you boys and girls, for helping me to build this temple so I can personally make my Shraddhanjali, my Pushpanjali, my gift to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Sridham Mayapur. And Prabhupada started to cry. I heard the story only last year in Bahrain from Srila Jayapataka Maharaj. He was there. So such was the sentiment of Srila Prabhupada in offering this temple as his personal gift to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Not only just as a gift, but he knew that this one temple will do more work in spreading the message of Sri Chaitanya than all the 500 temples that we have all over the world. So now the time has come. It is the momentous time. In 2016, we want to offer to Srila Prabhupada enough money that this project can go on, for which we have created a scheme of commemoration coins. We have minted in America 50 platinum coins, only 50 pieces, for 50 years of ISKCON. And the donation for these coins, one coin is 1.5 crores of rupees. We are looking for those 50 devotees in our movement who have the capacity and the craziness to be able to come up and say, yes, 1.5 crores I can give for one of those coins so the temple can be built. The first coin, this program only was launched on Srila Prabhupada's disappearance day by Ambarish Prabhu in Vrindavan last week on his disappearance day. And the first platinum coin that was taken by a person, a devotee of Doha, his name is Chaudhary Prabhu. He's not here, he's still in Vrindavan. He raised his hand and he said, I will give the first 1.5 crores of rupees and take the coin. And there were 300 devotees sitting in that evening, and inspired by him, one other lady devotee from Australia, she said, I will take one for me and one for my husband, 2 platinum coins. And she donated 3 crores of rupees. In Dubai, one devotee who had already given us 50 lakhs of rupees, he said, I will upgrade and give you another 1 crore and take 1 platinum coin at 1.5 crores of rupees. That is 2 days. So it is not impossible. There are people in our movement who are able to sacrifice this kind of money so that large sums of money can come in and be able to build this temple. 50 such coins will bring 150 crores of rupees for this temple project. Oh, 75 crores of rupees. So we are going around, and this is our first proposition, that if there is anyone in this room today who is able to donate this kind of Lakshmi for building the temple, please stand up and show yourselves. Hare Krishna. I am so sorry. But you know, the congregation devotees that we've been speaking to, they have surprised us. Every time I talk about such large numbers of donation, I myself shiver. I am very afraid to speak about it. But every time we have spoken, there has always been one crazy person who stands up and says, I will give you the money. After that, the second proposition is 108 gold coins we have minted, and those are for a donation of 108,000, which is 65 lakhs of rupees. And 108 devotees who take these coins and give 65 lakhs each will be able to give 70 crores of rupees to this project. So that is the second proposal. We have already been able to give away about 10 coins have already been taken by various different devotees. 3 devotees in Dubai took, 1 devotee in Bahrain took, and in Vrindavan and other places, devotees have taken 10 coins already. So is there anybody in this room who can donate 65 lakhs of rupees for 1 gold coin for Srila Prabhupada's Seva? Now we come to a program that can be done, and this can be done by the encouragement of all the ladies. The men will not do it on their own, but the ladies will have to jolt them a little bit, and then it is the ladies in our movement that have a lot of Shraddha and Bhakti, and it is also by their grace, I can speak for myself, that we are all devotees. My wife has always influenced me to stay in Krishna consciousness. When I saw this drama, I was praying that every Maya Das devotee should have Shiva Prabhu as his wife. Then we will not go anywhere in Maya, we will be very straight. So, become Shiva Prabhu wives and encourage your husbands. This is a doable project. There are many of you who are sitting here who have donated 1 lakh or even 2 lakhs for the golden brick. This 1008 silver coin is for 6 lakhs and 50,000, $11,000. At 1008, we will be able to offer 70 crores of rupees. 1,000 devotees from all over the world, if they participate in this program, at mere 6.5 lakhs of rupees, will be able to together give to this project 70 crores of rupees. This project still requires 360 crores of rupees in order to be completed. So, many of you have already given 1 lakh or 2 lakhs I am asking that you upgrade, because with every coin we are giving 3 golden bricks for free complimentary. One Radha Madhav brick for 1.5 lakhs, one Mahaprabhu golden brick for 1 lakh, and one Nrsingadev tile for 50,000. So 3 lakhs of bricks we are already giving, and that money we will include in this. So if you've given 1 lakh, you make a pledge for 5.5 lakhs, that money can be given in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even 5 years. It doesn't matter. We don't need 70 crores today. We simply have come to ask you for your pledge. We only need a pledge. Even if you don't want to give the money, make a pledge and take the coin from Ambarish Prabhu. That's what I would do. Hare Krishna. And Krishna will give you the strength. There is Prabhuji's already raising his hand. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please write their names. Can you stand up and write the names of the devotees?
And Mataji name?
Please tell their names so I can announce. So this seva is an upgrade. This is an upgrade from your coin seva. You can do it in installments. Please, we have 50 of these coins for you tonight. Take all 50 of them away. Otherwise, we lock the doors and nobody goes out. Jeevan Prabhu will do 1 silver coin at 6.5 lakhs. Hare Krishna. Bhaskar Prabhu will also do at 6.5 lakhs 1 silver coin. Purushottam Prabhu, I think we are going to become short on the coins today. Hare Krishna. Ramananda Kanayadas Prabhu. Hare Krishna. This is how we can serve Srila Prabhupada. Let us find those 1,000 devotees.
6 now. Abhishek, Shivan, Rasnath, Purushottam, Ramananda Kanayadas, and Srinivas Gauranga. 6.
Any more, please?
Ramesh Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Ramesh Giridhar.
Rameshwar, Hari Bol, Prabhuji. Thank you very much.
Madhavan.
Madhavan Prabhuji, 1 silver coin at 6.5 lakhs. Prabhuji, Gopinath Das, also Prabhuji, please stand up. Please stand up. Prabhuji, stand up, please stand up 1 second. This Prabhu here is a very young man. Him and his wife, they have just started to become devotees and taken initiation only 6 months ago. Last time when I came, they took all their earnings and savings and gave me 1 lakh of rupees. And today he is 86 lakhs. These are the kind of people. जी 6.5 लाख रुपए में एक चांदी का सिक्का श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की सेवा में आप देंगे तो ऐसे 1000 सिक्के बनेंगे, उससे 70 करोड़ रुपया की राशि इस मंदिर के निर्माण में जाएगी। इस पैसे को आप इंस्टॉलमेंट में दे सकते हैं, लेकिन आज सिर्फ संकल्प लेने के लिए कहा जा रहा है। 6.5 लाख रुपए का एक सिक्का है प्रभुपाद जी की सेवा में। अरे वाले समझ लें और माताएं खड़ी हो जाएं, पुरुष सब खड़े हो रहे हैं, माताएं खड़ी हो जाएं। हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कौन कौन माता जी देंगी जिन्होंने तिजोरियां भर रखी हैं निकाल के? हरे कृष्णा। क्योंकि मैं भी गृहस्थ हूँ ना, मुझे पता है मेरी पत्नी क्या करती है। Anyone else? देखिए ये बच्चा बड़ा हो जाए। प्रभु जी आपका नाम बताइए। वेंकटेश्वर गोपाल दास। वेंकटेश्वर गोपाल दास प्रभु जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये देखिए बच्चा खड़ा हुआ है।
Hare Krishna, you caught my eye. Yes, you did. Thank you. Kargil, a young donor giving 1 silver coin at 6.5 lakhs of rupees to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. Okay. मैं एक ही बात कह सकता हूँ, I have been a devotee for 40 years in ISKCON, and if by serving Srila Prabhupada, Mataji is standing up. खड़ी हो जाइए.
नाम
भारती गुरुराज, भारती गुरुराज,
एक छोटी सी कथा मेरी सुन लीजिए. When I was married at the age of 27, my brother was a very rich man in Delhi, so he invited me and my wife to come for a big party. 500-600 affluent people were there, and then a big party in our honor was going on. And at that time, my brother was a little tipsy because rich people also drink. So he came to me and he said something very correct from a material point of view. He said, तूने शादी क्यों की? क्योंकि तू तो मायापुर में रहता है, गौशाला में, तेरे को कुछ आता तो है नहीं, अब तेरे बच्चे तो होंगे और बच्चे तेरे भूखे मरेंगे, क्यों तूने शादी की? वो सारे गेस्ट देख रहे थे. They were all watching. I was embarrassed, but it was the truth. I did not have a penny. I was a devotee in ISKCON living in Mayapur. Why did I get married? Yes, I will have children. लेकिन आज की तारीख में we are 4 brothers, and Krishna has made me the richest brother amongst all of them. और मेरे उस भाई के बच्चे मेरे गुड़गांव की फैक्ट्री में काम करते हैं. इसलिए कौनते या प्रतिजानी ही नामे भक्त्या प्रणाशति. मैं आपको अपने 40 साल के अनुभव से कहता हूँ कि अगर आपने मायापुर बनाने में इतनी बड़ी सैक्रिफाइस की और आपको कहीं भी घाटा लग गया, आप मुझे आके जूते मारिएगा. मैं आपको वायदा करता हूँ, इसी आवेश में आज सेवा कर डालिए.
प्रभु जी का नाम
प्रेमचंदानी प्रभु जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. हरे कृष्णा. और जल्दी जल्दी हाथ उठाइए, क्योंकि अभी अम्बरीश प्रभु जी को भी सुनना है. ये इतनी दूर से आए हैं आप लोगों से बातें करने. कल बहरीन में हम लोगों ने 2 करोड़ रुपए की राशि कलेक्शन की. भक्तों के उद्गार को देख करके प्रभु जी रोने लगे कल रात को. उन्होंने कहा, I never thought कि this is the kind of response I will receive. Prabhu ji was crying, he had tears in his eyes in the evening. इतना प्रेम दिखलाइए प्रभु जी को. 2 coins. हरे कृष्णा.
Sarvanand Prabhu, 2 coins. 2 coins.
Srila Prabhupada used to love him and respect Ambarish Prabhu so much. Today we should send him away with that same love and reciprocation that Srila Prabhupada gave to him. ये वो समय है जो बार बार नहीं आने वाला हम लोगों के जीवन में. आज किया तो किया, नहीं तो फिर नहीं होगा. देह धरे का गुण यही, देह कचुदे बहुरी न दे ही पाइए, अब की देह सुदे. ये शरीर धरने का यही गुण है. बाद में ये शरीर कितने हो गए? हाँ, अभी 30 बाकी हैं. जल्दी जल्दी 50 पूरा कीजिए. अमरीश को सुना है. अरे देखिए कितना छोटा सा. हरि बोल प्रभु जी. हरे कृष्णा. सुब्रमण्यम प्रभु जी.
we were in Malaysia, one young man had 2 children. एक मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. Had 2 children and he did 2 silver coins. I said, Prabhuji, 2 silver. He said, yes, I am doing these coins in the name of my children. But when they grow up, I will take the money back from them. Why? He said, why? Listen to the Siddhanta. He said, education is free for them. Upbringing is free for them. But piety is not free. They must do their own piety. I will collect my money back from them. गौरव प्रभु के नाम पे हरे कृष्णा. ऐसे संस्कार बच्चों में डालिए.
हरि बोल.
हरि बोल प्रभु जी. हरे कृष्णा. आज लुटने को तैयार हो जाइए सब लोग.
हरि बोल.
हरे कृष्णा.
Prabhu, he also promised receipt.
Yes, I
he will get, he will return back to me.
thank you very much. That's a good sign.
Already they will give. हरि बोल.
और माताएं नहीं उठ रही हैं.
हरि बोल.
हरे कृष्णा.
लक्ष्मी दास.
Last week, I received one email from one lady in Russia. After seeing this cinema of the Acharya speaking like this, her 7-year-old son, he went to her mother and said, Mama, I like ice cream very much. And Mama said, yes, all day you are eating ice cream. He was only 7 years of age. He said, from today till the opening of this temple, no ice cream. All my ice cream money should go to this temple. ऐसे भी हैं हमारी ISKCON संस्था में. और बोलिए, अभी कितने हुए?
कितना हुई?
और हाथ उठाइए.
26+1.
आज हमारे घर में बीमारी हो जाए तो कहीं से भी लोन लेकर के बीमारी का इलाज कराएंगे. बेटी की शादी हो तो भीख मांगने को तैयार होंगे. आज प्रभुपाद जी का मंदिर बन रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ सैक्रिफाइस करना ही चाहिए. सैक्रिफाइस कीजिए, संकल्प लीजिए. 2 साल में, 3 साल में, 5 साल में पैसा दीजिए, लेकिन संकल्प आज कीजिए. ऐसी भावना का उठाव फिर बार बार नहीं आने वाला है. कोई नहीं आएगा आपको बताने के लिए. थैंक यू प्रभु जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
क्या नाम है?
आनंद शक्ति प्रभु and प्रभु's name? आपका नाम?
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. एक ऐसी बात आप देखिए प्रभु जी, आप खड़े हो जाइए प्रभु जी. खड़े हो जाइए. आज जिन लोगों ने सिक्के प्रभुपाद जी की सेवा में नहीं दिए हैं, ये उनकी पत्नी बनने वाली है. ये आशीर्वाद दे करके जाऊंगा मैं. इसके फटाफट भैया इसको करना करो. ये तो कितने ही सिक्के निकलवा देंगे आपके जीवन में ये. हरे कृष्णा. और बोलिए कोई है? हरे कृष्णा. अच्छा सुनिए, अभी मैं एक बहुत गंभीर बात आप लोगों से शेयर करने वाला हूँ. मैंने ये बातें ज्यादा किसी को नहीं बताई है. 1 महीना पहले मैं रशिया में एक शहर से दूसरे शहर श्रीला जयप्रताका महाराज के साथ फर्स्ट क्लास में ट्रैवल कर रहा था. उस समय महाराज जी ने मेरे हाथ को पकड़ करके कहा, राधा जीवन, मॉर्निंग टू नाइट you are thinking, eating, sleeping only TOVP. I thank you very much. मैंने कहा महाराज आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? फिर उन्होंने कहा, राधा जीवन, you put me to shame with the amount of effort you are putting. मैंने कहा महाराज जी, भगवान ने आपसे शरीर छीन लिया है, एक हृदय और मणि तो आपके पास है, और फिर भी देखिए आप कितनी सेवा कर रहे हैं. महाराज जी रोने लगे. उन्होंने महाराज जी ने कहा मुझसे कि राधा जीवन, एक ऐसी बात तुमको बताता हूँ कि किसी से आगे जिगर मत करना। 7 साल पहले मैं हिंदी में बोलूं या अंग्रेजी में? 7 साल पहले मुझे स्ट्रोक हुआ था। इस स्ट्रोक में मैं मर गया था, शरीर पूरा हो गया था। मुझे भगवान लेने के लिए आए। जब भगवान ने मेरे हाथ को थाम करके कहा चलो, तो मैंने भगवान को रोक दिया। मैंने कहा नो, आई कैन नॉट गो राइट नाउ। उन्होंने कहा क्यों? उन्होंने कहा मेरे गुरुजी का एक सबसे बड़ा कार्य अभी अधूरा है, मुझे आप शरीर में वापस डालिए, ये कार्य करने के बाद ही मैं आपके साथ जाऊंगा, इसलिए मैं शरीर में आया। आप लोग जयप्रताप महाराज के सच्चे शिष्य हैं, इसलिए ये कथा आपको बता रहा हूँ। मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए जब महाराज ने ये बात मुझे कहा। इसलिए इस शाम को बहुत गंभीरता से लीजिए। ये एक ऐसा गुरु के प्रति, प्रभुपाद जी के प्रति और भगवान श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु के प्रति सेवा करने का अवसर है जो बार बार नहीं आने वाला है। ऐसी सभा बार बार नहीं बैठेगी। ऐसे महापुरुष कहीं नहीं जाते हैं प्रभु जी, लेकिन आपके पास अमेरिका छोड़ करके आपको नमन भी करने आए हैं, धन्यवाद भी करने आए हैं और आपसे याचना भी करने आए हैं। इन्होंने बहुत बड़ी बात आज मुझे सोफे पे कह दी। आप लोगों को देख करके ऐसे खुसुर मुसुर वहां बैठे हैं। मैंने कहा इनसे मैं पैसा कैसे मांगू, मुझे शर्म आती है, मैं पैसा नहीं मांगूंगा। तो इन्होंने मुझे कहा दे आर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ लॉर्ड नित्यानंद's mercy. You don't be afraid when you ask them. Lord Nityananda Prabhu will give them the strength to do seva for Maya Buddha. इसलिए on the strength of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, make your संकल्प। अगर आपका संकल्प टूटता है तो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आज के दिन इनको 50 सिक्कों का संकल्प करके कल सुबह मेरे पास में महाराज जी का फोन आने वाला है। एवरी डे वो हॉस्पिटल से, दिल्ली से मुझे फोन कर रहे हैं, सारी बातें पूछते हैं, क्या हुआ, कितना कलेक्शन हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ। कल सुबह मैं उनको कहूँगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और बोलिए। देखिए, आप लोगों में बहुत लोगों ने पैसे दिए हैं, उसको डिडक्ट करके 5.5 लाख ही होता है। इसमें 3 ईंटें आपको हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री दे रहे हैं। इसको 2 साल में, 3 साल में, 5 साल में आराम से हर आदमी दे सकता है। मन बनाने की बात है, हौसला बनाइए। जननी जने तो भक्त जने, या दाता या सूर, नहीं तो जननी बांझ रहे, क्यों खोवे है नूर। कभी कहता है हे माता, हे जननी, अगर तू बच्चे पैदा करती है तो उनमें 3 गुण होने चाहिए। एक तो वो भगवान का भक्त हो, दूसरा वो सूरवीर हो और तीसरा वो दाता हो। अगर ये तीनों गुण उसमें नहीं है तो नहीं तो जननी बांझ रहे, क्यों खोवे है नूर। अपनी जवानी को मत खो। इसलिए आज हम सच्चे माई के लाल बने, अपनी माता को गर्व बनाए कि हाँ, हम अपने माता के सपूत हैं, और लिखाओ नाम। हमारे पास ज्यादा समय नहीं है, इसके बाद मैं नहीं बोलने वाला, इसलिए 2, 4, 5 आदमी जो बच्चे में हैं लिखाइए, उसके बाद अमरीश प्रभु को स्पीक। और माताओं का नंबर कम पड़ा है कोई 2, 4? अच्छा ठीक है, अब हम यहाँ बंद करते हैं। इसके बाद हमारी चौथी योजना है गोल्डन ब्रिक की, 1 लाख रुपए में। और है कोई नहीं? 1 लाख रुपए। अच्छा, अब ये गोल्डन ब्रिक की जो स्कीम है, 1 लाख रुपए में एक सुनहरा ईटा, जिसपे आपके परिवार का नाम अंकित हो करके, एंड वी विल पुट इट on the dais, on the platform where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will stand.
इसकी राशि मात्र 1 लाख रुपया है, लेकिन इसी 1-1 लाख रुपए को बिटोर करके पिछले साल मंदिर में 10 करोड़ रुपया आया है। इसलिए ये राशि को छोटा मत समझिए। जिन लोगों ने 6 लाख रुपए देने की हिम्मत नहीं की, वे कम से कम लाख रुपए की राशि यहाँ लिखवा करके और अपने आप को धन्य बनवाइए। 1 लाख रुपया राशि गोल्डन ईटा। प्रभु जी फटाफट खड़े हो जाइए, हम लोग नाम लिख लेंगे। दीपांजन प्रभु 1 लाख रुपया, और पीछे हाँ
प्रभु
और बोलिए 1 लाख रुपया प्रभु जी। 1 लाख भी करेंगे, हरे बोल, आप भी करेंगे। खड़े हो जाइए, सब दिख जाएंगे, खड़े हो जाइए।
सनातन ऋषि
1-1 लाख रुपए की राशि वाले सब खड़े हो जाइए।
प्रभु का नाम क्या?
गोपाल कृष्णदास।
कल रात को एक डिवोटी मुझे गाड़ी में लेके आ रहे थे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरी पत्नी ने 50,000 रुपए मांगे थे अपने पिता को देने के लिए, तो मैंने ना कह दिया, और आज मैंने 6.5 लाख रुपया प्रभुपाद जी के लिए हाँ कर दिया। तो पत्नी मुझसे झगड़ रही थी कि मेरे बाप को 50,000 नहीं दिया, प्रभुपाद जी को 6.5 लाख रुपए दे दिए। ये है भक्ति, देखिए। और बोलिए 1-1 लाख रुपए वाले आइए, खड़े हो जाइए, खड़ी हो जाइए प्लीज।
हरि बोल।
नाम लिखाइए, हरि बोल। और कौन है? चलिए, माताओं को चुनौती है, 1-1 लाख रुपया तो आराम से खड़ी हो सकती है।
सो जाता है।
हरे कृष्णा। और चलिए, मैं 10 तक गिनूंगा। हरे कृष्णा 1, हरे कृष्णा 2, हरे कृष्णा 3, हरे कृष्णा 4, हरे कृष्णा 5, हरे कृष्णा 6, बोलिए बोलिए, हरे कृष्णा 7, हरे कृष्णा 8। उठिए उठिए उठिए। वेरी गुड। Imani, let us start again. Srila Prabhupada 1. उठिए उठिए।
माता जी, two golden plate. Swati and Sonika. Two golden plate.
और बोलिए, Srila Prabhupada 1, Srila Prabhupada 2, Srila Prabhupada 3, Srila, खड़ी हो जाइए। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। 1-1 लाख रुपया तो लिखवाइए, कौन सी बात है। और खड़ी हुई, और कौन कौन है? अब माताओं का टर्न आया है। हरे कृष्ण। और कोई? श्रीमन महाप्रभु 1, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 2, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 3, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 4, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 5, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 6, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 7, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 8, श्रीमन महाप्रभु 9। गौर प्रेमानंदे। Okay, all these donations are income tax exempted. ये जो भी आप दान राशि देंगे, इसमें इनकम टैक्स माफ है। ये एक सूचना ही व्यवस्थापक लोग दे रहे हैं। आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सच में हंसी खुशी जितने भी शब्द हुए, क्षमा कीजिएगा। मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि आप लोग दाता हैं, आप लोग प्रभुपाद जी के प्रिय हैं। And what Amrish Prabhu said today was the words coming out from the lotus mouth of Srila Prabhupada, that you are all representatives and recipients of the mercy of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. Now,
I will hand over the mic to Shriman Ambarish Prabhu, who all of you know, his great-grandfather was the most powerful, the most popular, and the richest personality in his time. He hails from such a family, but yet he chose to surrender and bow down to a great saint from India, and thereby he has cherished his life so wonderfully and so spiritually. He will share with us some of his thoughts and he will give his blessings to us tonight. Hare Krishna.